The HD Pro has a super wide 170-degree wide angle that lets you capture your whole field of vision. It has 2K HD video. The HD Pro has loop recording. 16 gigabytes will have about 1 hour of footage at max quality. It supports up to 64 gigabytes with a Class 10 memory card. Auto power on and off with power input is included, so you never have to turn it on. So today we're unboxing the WheelWitness HD Pro Premium Dash Camera. When it arrives, it's in this great package. You remove it from the box, and installation is a breeze. You'll find that you have your HD camera right here in front. Remove that, and you'll see the additional packaging materials underneath. Included, we have your USB GPS unit. The camera is able to connect to GPS. You also have your adapter for power. You have your windshield mount. And we have additional mounting and a memory card. When your WheelWitness HD Pro camera arrives, it will already have your mount attached to it. The memory card micro SD will arrive in the package as well. Open it up and you'll grab the smallest card for this one. There's also an SD adapter included in case you need it. If you have trouble inserting the memory card, you're able to use a penny or other small object to help get it into the slot. After you install the windshield mount, gently press to remove any air bubbles. On your HD dash cam, you'll flip the rotator arm up and simply slide it into the grip. You're then able to rotate the camera in any angle. It should move freely and the camera should feel stable. Next, we need to connect it to power. You'll take your power adapter, unpackage it, and you'll plug it into your vehicle. You'll know it's connected when it lights up with a dim blue light. Next, you'll take your USB adapter and you'll insert it into the B marked port. Gently push it in until it can't go any further. You're now ready to start recording with your HD dash cam by WheelWitness.
Wait, you haven't seen the best part yet. Here are some amazing offers and specials available for one time only. You can't afford to miss it.